Exercise 3.3. It's a question number 3 and it's a fifth question. The question is, a fraction becomes 9 by 11. We know fractional numbers are always in P by Q form. So 9 is numerator and 11 is denominator. If 2 is added to both, okay, the numerator and the denominator, if this is the first case, and 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, then it becomes 5 by 6. Then find the fraction. Do we know the fraction? No. So we will start with this, okay? We do not know the numerator or denominator of the given fraction. So for that, let's assume, let the numerator be x and denominator be 1. Let the numerator be x and denominator be 1. Simple. So what will be the fraction? So fraction will be, can I say it is x by y? Simple. Now, in the first statement, they are saying if we are going to add 2 in numerator as well as in denominator. First time they are adding 2. If we are going to add 2 in both numerator and denominator, then fraction will become 9 by 11. This is the first what we are given. So, how to simplify? Look at your screen. Very simple here. Therefore, 11 cross multiplication we will do for that. 11 into x plus 2. And this 9 is already there. And this y plus 2 will be here. Therefore, 11 into x, 11x, plus 11 into 2, 22, 9 into y, 9y, and 9 2 ja 18. Therefore, 11x, this 9y will move to this side, gives the result minus 9y. And of course, this is 18 minus 22. Okay, this I am transposing to right side, and this y wala term I am transposing to left side, sorry. Therefore, 11x minus 9y equal to, of course, it will be minus 4. Don't forget to mention minus. Let's call this is result number 1. Okay, because it is in simple as a normal equation. Now let's work out on the third line. What we are given? If 3 is added to both, it means x and y is a fraction, and we are this time adding 3 in both. In both it means in numerator and in denominator. Then the fraction will become 5 by 6. Therefore, cross multiplication, 6 will be multiplied here. So x plus 3, 5 is already here. So y plus 3 is in multiplication. Nothing I did. I have done only cross multiplication. Therefore, 6 into x gives the result 6x plus 6 into 3, 18. 6 into x, 6x plus 6 3 ja 18. 5 into y, that is 5y plus 5 3 ja 15. Fine. Now let's simplify it. Okay. How to simplify? We need to work out upon second equation now. I am working upon that. So let's see what will be the simple form of this equation will become. So after bringing this 5y, I am transposing this 5y to left side and this plus 18 to right side. So equation will be 6x minus 5y. Of course, 15 minus 18 gives the result minus 3. And let me call this is equation number 2. 15 minus 18. So answer will be in negative. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now there are two options. Either I can make a subject from here, or we can subject from here also. As we want to go with the substitution method here, that's why. So I am using this equation only for that. So what it will be? if I ask you 6x equal to, this minus 3 is already there. This minus 5y I am bringing to right side, it gives plus 5y. And of course this 6 will be in denominator. So finally this is the value of x, which is quite important, which we are going to put it in our equation number 1, right? So what is our equation 1? 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Simple. Now in this equation I am going to put the value of x here. Observe carefully. This 11 is there, minus 3 plus 5y upon 6, and here minus 9y equal to minus 4. Therefore, now there isn't anything which we can cancel with this. In such a case, what to do? Very simple. We need to multiply this term with this term with this first. Forget for a while this 6 is given. Only work out on the numerator. So 11 into minus 3 minus 33. 11 5 ja 55 along with y. And of course this 6 will be in denominator. But as I told you, here it is nothing, means 1. Here it is 1. And if I ask you, we need to work out on LCM. Then here we need to multiply with 1. Here with 6. And again here with 6. In a small writing you mentioned just below. So here we have to work out on 6. So 9 6 ja 54y. Fine. And 4 6 ja 24. Therefore, this you know very well. Let's simplify. Plus 55 minus 54y. It gives the result plus y equal to minus 24. Therefore, y equal to minus 24 plus 33. What is the difference when we subtract 24 from 33? So answer will be 9. It will be positive 9. 33 minus 24 gives the result 9. Now this result which we got for y, we are going to put in this equation, this subject where we made. So we will have the value of this also. So let's note down minus 3 plus 5y upon 6. This minus 3 plus 5, the value of y is 9 and this is 6. Clear? So let's simplify. What do we have? Here it will be minus 3 plus 5 9 ja 45. Minus 3 plus, I am writing it. Exercise 3.3, question number 3. It's the 6th question. I am reading it for you. So please listen it carefully what we are given in the question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. And 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Okay, because these type of problems when comes, then children feel very happy, because the age wala question they are almost able to solve, and this question is quite easy. Damn sure you will find it easy. Let me explain you full. First of all, you think about which 2 persons are there. There are 2 persons. One is Jacob and second is his son. Okay. Now in the last line of the question, we are asked to find their present age. Now my question, do we know the present age of Jacob? No. Do we know the present age of his son? No. So let's start the solution. Let the present age of Jacob. Okay, Jacob, what you want to say? Let the present age of Jacob be x years, along with the unit x years, and present age of his son and present age of his son is Y years. Okay, this is very clear. Okay, now there are two cases. It means in the beginning line you are given 5 years hence. Now what do you mean by 5 years hence? So we need to mention here first case, 5 years hence. Now it is stand for the meaning of this is 5 years ago. In simple you should mention it is actually used for ago. 5 years hence मतलब अब से 5 साल पहले. 5 years sorry not ago. 5 years hence मतलब अब से 5 साल बाद मतलब आने वाला time for the next class. 5 years hence, after 5 years. So we need to, this is future tense. So if the present age of Jacob is X years, so after 5 years, this is indicate after 5 years, what will be his age? So we need to mention Jacob's age. It will be, of course you will tell, ma'am, it will be X plus 5 years. Okay, because from now and onwards. Okay, now this is Jacob's age. We need to mention his son's age. At that time, of course, the Jacob is growing 5 years, then of course his son will also grow. So we need to mention his age will be Y plus 5 years. Clear? So this is the case number 1. Both of their ages will be, Jacob's will be X plus 5 after 5 years and his son will be of Y plus 5 years. Okay, this is case 1. Now in the case 1, they have given one equation. How to read it? The age of Jacob. Age of Jacob. What is the age of Jacob? Now here it is. Jacob's age X plus 5 years. His son's age, it will be Y plus 5 years. Now we are given clearly in the statement, Jacob's age will be 3 times than his son's age. So if we simplify, then equation will become X plus 5 equal to 3 into Y, that is 3Y plus 3 5 ja 15. Now let's simplify. Then what do we have? X plus X minus this 3Y will come to this side minus 3Y, and of course 15 minus 5, that is 10. So let me give the numbering. This is equation number 1. Okay, very easy, very simple. Now in the next statement we are given 5 years ago. The question is, we are given the 5 years, what are their present ages? We need to find for present age, but we are given Jacob's age was 7 times. Okay, 5 years ago. For that we need to give the heading 5 years ago. Fine. What is the meaning of this 5 years ago? It indicates that at that time Jacob's age will be, it will be X minus 5 years, agree? And his son's age will be, Y minus 5 years. This indicate years I have written here. Now it is 7 times. We are given that is 7 times of his age. So let's go with the second number equation. If I form an equation, then what was the Jacob's age 5 years back? So that is X minus 5. So we are given here, this is X minus 5 and that is 7 times of Y minus 5. Therefore, let's simplify. We know very well here X minus 5 remains same as it is. Now 7 into Y gives the result 7y and 7 5 ja 35. Yeah. Therefore, this minus 7 will come to this side. This plus 7 will come to this side, will become minus 7, and minus 35 plus 5. minus 35 is already here, plus 5, it gives the result minus 30. Let's call this is equation number 2. Now it depends on us how we are simplifying. Okay, for that I am making a subject, because as we are applying substitution method here, so I am making the subject to equation number 2 only. So if I make a subject to x, so of course I need to mention minus 30, and this minus 7 will become plus 7. So let me call, I am keeping this separate. Okay, now this value of x I am going to put in this. Okay, so our equation 1. So you need to mention here substituting the value of x in equation number 1. Right? Any equation you can choose. It's not by any foundation that you have to proceed for particular. So we'll work out on this equation. This is equal to 10. Now in this equation I am going to put the value of x with minus 30 plus 7y. You can see this is x, and here minus 3y equal to 10. Which value I put it here? The value of x is this much only. And as we know that minus plus 7y minus 3y. If we simplify these two terms, what do we have? The next term will be, this is minus 30 plus 7y minus 3y gives the result minus 4y equal to 10. So minus 4y equal to, this minus 30 will move to this side, gives the result plus 30. Therefore 10 plus 30 is 40. Therefore y equal to, this will become this side, and this I am bringing to this side. Have I did any mistake in writing somewhere? Oh yes, here it is plus. Here this is plus 7y minus 3y plus 4y. Okay, let it be. So 10 plus 30, 40. So y equal to 40 divided by 4. It gives the result 10. Fine. So final answer we need to write in a statement form. Jacob's present age. Okay, I am mentioning it here in a short. Therefore, Jacob's present age is x. What was our x? Still we need to find the x also, na? We have found the y only, so we need to work out upon that also. Okay, we are in continuing this, so don't go with this. Simple, complete up to here. Y equal to 10. We got the value of y. Now in this equation I am going to put the value of y. X equal to minus 30 plus 7y. Okay, minus 30 plus 7y. In this equation I am going to put the value of y, that is 10. So minus 30 plus 70, so it will become 40 years. Okay, so finally we need to write the answer in a statement. Therefore Jacob's present age be 40 years. Okay, and his son's present age, it will be, present age will be 10 years. Okay, this is the complete solution.